Hey superstars, so you've got your hands on our easy to press DTF transfers. These things are a game changer, and we're gonna show you a simple step to create professional t-shirts every single time. We'll even share some tips and tricks along the way. When pressing our DTF transfers, you only need to focus on three things: time, temperature, pressure. So for time, we recommend a super short press of only 7 to 10 seconds. And the best part, you can peel both hot or cold. It's really your choice. You can peel hot for quicker production. You can peel cold for bigger, larger, oversized prints where you're gonna be doing a section at a time. Temperature. Our transfers are a low melt transfer and they can basically go on any fabric. You can press them as low as 275 up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Our go-to setting is 300 degrees Fahrenheit for cottons and 275 for performance fabrics like cottons, nylons, poly blends, things of that nature where you want to start a little bit low first. Third and most important is going to be pressure. We want to press our transfers with heavy pressure, so if you have a heat press that can be adjustable, make sure you crank it up. The more pressure, the better. Now that the heat press is on at 300 degrees, between 7 to 10 seconds, and on heavy pressure, you're ready to go. Now go ahead and have your shirt loaded. This one has a pull-out, so it's easy for me to load. You're gonna go ahead and have your alignment on, so either you have a laser or you have an alignment tool. They will both work well. You got my tool here. Now I'm gonna teach you a quick trick with our transfer. If you wanna go ahead and fold it in half, this will go ahead and give you the midpoint of the transfer, which will make aligning a lot easier. Now that it's marked, we're gonna go ahead and lay this down like so. I'm gonna pull out the laser tool and it's set in place. We're gonna go ahead and press 300 degrees for 10 seconds. So let's go ahead and now, because this is a hot and cold peel transfer, you can pull at any time. We're gonna go ahead and peel this on hot. Just grab a corner like so, and that's how you do it. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and flip this film over and use this as a second press, but we're gonna go ahead and give it a nice textured finish. We're gonna go ahead and use our matte finishing sheet, and we're gonna press again for another 5 to 10 seconds. This second press is very, very important. It ensures that the transfer is embedded very well into the fabric and it's gonna hold up for a very long time and throughout many, many washes. And there you go, flawless transfer. What you're looking for is lines that are running through the shirt, which is very, very visible. So that's how you know you've got a really good transfer and you did a good job. And that's it, superstars. With those easy steps, you're able to create some professional t-shirts using our DTF transfers. If you have any questions, make sure you guys reach out. We're here to help you guys out.